Hello, this is Marilyn from Marilyn's on 600 Goodland Frank Road in our pop-up store, which we are here for a few months until we move into our new store at 650 Goodland Frank Road. Well, they've been asking me about customization, and you should be, because I've been throwing it around like everybody knows what I'm talking about. Well, maybe we need to talk a little bit more about it. Customization at Marilyn's means customizing every touch we have with our customer. If we have a way to make your experience in my store better and give you the merchandise that works in your closet and you wear it, then that's the idea. I call it selling in your closet, which means not only do you have outfits to wear, but you're wearing it. I had a friend, she used to start every seminar with, how many of you have a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear? Well, we're here to take care of that, and we feel the way to do that is with customization. So one of the issues is when you call us, we look at you as an individual. We want to know who the customer is, and a lot of times the customers that call us are not new customers. So most of my staff here, we were sitting here the other day and we were going through all our customers and thinking about all the promises we made to them, and did we fulfill those promises, and did we do the custom things that we did? So we are actively looking at each of you individually. Now, don't get scared. You don't have to get the security out. Basically, what we're trying to do is focus on you so we can, when you come to us, you can get what you need and get a value added with that. Part of that is in the new customization of the new store, which is, I think, is going to be different than most stores. First of all, this is the siding here, and this is a draft. I have to go in there today. But one of the things that's noticeable and different is we have 3 10 by 10 dressing rooms. And the reason for that is a 10 by 10 is a decent sized bedroom. When you go into our fitting rooms, we want you to feel comfortable and feel like you're relaxing to make a decision, because you're going to be evaluating what you're going to be wearing and putting outfits together. It might be a special event, and you need to be in an environment that allows you to do that. We can go into more detail about when we talk about features and benefits, when we talk about what the new store dressing room looks like, but I'd like to go a little further along until we have those done for you. But we can see some of it already. Here is one of the draft plans of the site. Here's back here. This is the front door coming in. I've started to plan some of the fixtures in the place, and you'll notice one of these is an accessory department, which is here, and one is a shoe department, which is here. But as you'll notice, we have these flat tables in front of the accessory department. And part of that is so that if we have a dress that we're working on, or you bring in something you want to go with it, we can take the dress or whatever you have and put it down on the table and interact it with the accessories we have. And yes, we're keeping the drawers as usual, which I know all of you like. So just picture yourself here now. You bring in a dress, or you have one of ours. We love when you have one of ours, but it's okay. I just want you to look good, so I don't care where the dress came from. But what we can do then is we can lay it out on the accessories. We can put it together. We can do it. We walk over to the shoe department. We can do the same kind of thing. And we'll have purses in this area. We can do the whole outfit together. And part of that is so when you go home, you're going to wear this outfit, because if you have a completed outfit, you will wear it, and that's what is important. So we're looking at a customization even in doing our store so that we can service you better, and also so you can become part of the selling cycle, not so much so that you should buy something, but so that when you go home, you have value. Anyway, this is part of when we talk about customization, and I guarantee you everything that we do is customized. This is Marilyn from 600 Goodland Frank Road, and don't forget us, we're still open for business. Thank you.